So welcome back to the solution lecture. If you got the challenge, you can just skip this one, but let's go into it. So let's open our main directory first. So terminal, let's activate the virtual environment, source ven /bin activate. Oh, my venv. I don't know why I always forget that we are named. So my venv. So now that we are in our virtual environment, we can just say, let's open this in our code editor, code dot. So we are inside. Let's run our first command to create our Django application. So this is the previous project. I'll just close it first, avoid any confusion. So we call Django -admin start project pro 2. So that's the instruction here. Start pro 2. So our pro 2 has been created, our project pro 2. Then we need to cd to this inside to use manage.py to create the app 2. So ls cd pro 2 ls confirm the manage.py is there. So we just need to create the app. So we're gonna say python manage.py start app pro 2. So it's going to be app 2. So our app has been created, app 2. So the first thing we're going to do is first tell Django that this app exists. So go to settings.py, in the installed apps, add this and app 2 and that. So now we have told our Django app that app 2 exists. Let's go and create our view. So def index, let's give it request. So we need the HTTP response from Django. .http import HTTP response. So return HTTP response. Now the response we want to give, use a tag there. So close the tag like that. So let's now link the views, the URLs I mean. So let's go to URLs. First let's import the views from app 2, import views. So now we can use the views here. Say path, give it the string we want, the home, so we'll just leave it empty. So use views dot index comma, give it a name is equal home. Send this. Now that we have linked our Django to our views to our URLs, and we have told Django that app 2 exists, you can just test the server and run it. So let's run the server. Python manage.py run server. So let's click. So the app is running, and you can see that now it's italic. So that was the challenge solution. So thanks for watching, and let's meet on the next lecture. Subscribe kindly to boost my YouTube.